welcome Terada-san to our YouTube channel, right, of Electronics View. Can you give us some introduction about ROHM and ROHM India?
ROHM is established in 1954 in Kyoto, Japan. And we are very much recently focusing on the power electronics and analog devices. ROHM India, coming to India, we started our operation in 2011, almost a decade ago. We are not only for sales and marketing, but also we have a design center developing LSI or power MOSFET in our team. And also we have a technical support team. So that's a snapshot of the ROHM India.
So the R&D team which does MOSFET LSI design is actually designing new components for ROHM?
That's right. The team in India is focusing for India. So that's a design in India concept.
Since power, energy, and AI data centers are one of the key focus themes right now, and a lot of power electronics demand is being generated there, right? Are there any new innovations which ROHM is doing in this area?
So as you know, AI computing requires so much energy and power consumptions. So in order to do a more power efficient supply system, we are promoting those cutting edge technologies, silicon carbide or gallium nitride technology. So that we have a very efficient device. And also we have a high power. So that's why high voltage, I mean. So high voltage is that you don't need to draw the high current. So that's very good for those AI computing.
ROHM has been a very active player in the automotive space. So any new launches recently in this space?
Okay, again, so silicon carbide, coming to silicon carbide. We recently launched the module, small module, that is a so-called DOT247. And that is a two device, DOT247 discrete package are combined and put into the one package. So that is more space saving and also high power enabled module and easy to use. So that is good for the power application like onboard charger or auxiliary power supply system in the vehicle.
You mentioned you've been active in India since 2011.
Yes.
Can you share some details about how ROHM has been investing in India and expanding in India over the years?
So since we have started design center, our team, first we started the LSI designing. And first target is, we are starting the market analysis, then concept planning, then we propose a project. Then, so this, the LSI products for the analog IC, for the fuel injections, that is a very much complicated analog IC. And we almost succeed to get the design wins. Okay. Yeah. And coming to the power MOSFET, we started since, let's say 4 or 5 years back. Okay. And again, this is also focusing on in application in India, okay, and especially for two-wheeler EV applications. Okay. So our first MOSFET will be launched very soon. And that will be proposed to those motor inverters or battery management system for the two-wheeler EV. And furthermore, we are now have a plan to make it in India as well.
And would you like to now show some of the new launches, etc., on the floor? Right? Okay. Thank you. Can you share more details about what is being demonstrated here?
Okay, so this is our silicon carbide products complete lineup,
Okay.
starting from discrete,
Okay.
and we have various type of the package we supported.
Okay.
And here, this is wafer of silicon carbide,
Right.
starting from 4-inch, 6-inch,
Okay.
and now we are 8-inch.
So do you provide the wafer as an output?
Oh yes, oh yes. That's one of the advantage of the ROHM is that we create wafer or raw material by ourselves. That
Is it for yourself or you sell to customers?
we are also providing to our competitors.
Okay. Lovely. Okay. Interesting.
Okay, this is a more like recent demanding emerging package. That is to say the top side cooling.
Okay.
So the cooling pad is on the surface, top surface, so that we can put heat sinks on top. So that is providing more energy efficient.
Efficiency. Okay. Okay. And what are the applications typically? Is this more for EV kind of?
EV or
data
yeah, on-board charging. Yeah, any kind of energy.
Energy.
Yeah.
Understood.
And here two device coming from our success cases.
Okay.
The one from
customers.
our customer's device. So this is from the Corsair in Japan.
Okay.
That is the AC/DC power supply.
Okay.
And here, this is more latest products. We are providing the chip bare die to the German company, Semicon Danfoss.
Okay.
And that is for the industrial energy applications.
Okay.
So coming to this is our own module,
Okay.
and we call that TRC drive. TRC drive, and this is for more traction inverter for four-wheeler.
Okay.
EV.
For four-wheelers.
EVs.
Four-wheeler EVs.
EVs.
Okay. Okay.
So now ROHM is producing many various type of the power module,
Okay.
and this is TLC drive,
Okay.
and this is H strip,
Okay.
and this is more recently we released the DOT247.
Okay. This
Yeah.
is the one you were talking about
Yes.
earlier in the interview.
Yes.
Where two devices are packaged
Right.
into one.
2-in-1. So you can see
Okay.
two pocket, two TO2. It's jointly it's
And
combined.
this is for the heat.
heat summer pad.
Okay. Understood. Okay.
And those four board, PCB board, is for the evaluation kit. The same concept, the three-phase, the high and low to bridge.
Okay.
Half bridge has 3 phases,
Okay.
so that we can test those 3-phase inverter applications.
Okay. But this is by your customer ecosystem?
That is developed by ROHM.
by ROHM.
And starting from TO247,
Okay.
HS dip,
Okay.
then DOT247, and TRC drive. Same concept, but the
Okay.
power rating is different.
Different. Understood.
And this one is designed by the team in India.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
The entire product,
Yeah.
which is a kind of a three-phase inverter with. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. So this is the evaluation kit
Yeah, evaluation kit.
for an OEM to try and test
Yes.
and develop their own
Yes.
solution.
Yes.
Okay. 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 What all is being demonstrated here? Yeah.
This is the concept of the so-called light control unit.
Okay.
We are saying that is a single board
Okay.
integrating multiple LED driver ICs.
Okay.
That is supporting the headlamp, DRL,
Okay.
tail lamp,
Okay.
and also indicators.
Okay.
So the whole lighting feature
Okay.
managed by this small board.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, and
So the customer is supposed to use this board to control the entire lighting of a two.
yes.
Oh, lovely. Okay. Okay. And this is available as a, they can customize it as per their needs also, or this is a solution, set solution.
This is basically a solution that we provide this board to customer. So
Okay.
if they are interested,
Okay.
then let them try to use.
Okay.
And other new feature. So this is the function so-called A bus. It's artificial sound.
Okay. So people feel
For
that
the-
there's a two-wheeler there.
It's approaching.
Okay. Okay.
So this demonstration kit is integrating every features,
Okay.
and so the sound is linking generated by this ABAS chip.
Okay. 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 So you've integrated a lot of sound in the vision.
Yeah,
So that the sound is still there and people
Yes.
don't hit into the vehicle.
yeah, right.
Lovely. No, excellent. So this section sounds very exciting. Design in India. Yeah.
Yes.
So can you take us through what all you're
Yeah.
demonstrating here?
As I explained,
Right.
we have a design center specialized for the power MOSFET development team.
Okay.
So this is the first products we have. We are going to release
Okay.
very soon,
Okay.
and this is 100-volt Tor MOSFET
Okay.
designed by the team in Pune.
Okay.
Yeah. So and here this is a best specification for those battery management system or two-wheeler inverter
Okay.
motor inverter applications.
Okay.
So as I said, most we will make it.
So not only has it been designed in India, it will soon be made in India.
Yeah, made in India.
Lovely. Excellent.
Design in India, then
Made.
make it.
So
made
this chip has been made in partnership with some customer by understanding their needs, etc.
Yeah, from the beginning, our engineer visited the customers
Okay.
and tried to understand what their need
Okay.
and what fits. Yeah, so there are so many parameters, and they want to know which parameter is important for them.
Okay. Okay.
So now those chips are already distributed to customer,
Okay.
and they have already, our partner are already implemented. So this is a e-brake system for the commercial vehicle.
Okay.
That is a little bit difficult, but yeah, here this is 100-volt MOSFET. Is
Sure. Okay. Okay. And this is by Sakit Electro.
Sakit, yes, yes,
company
tier
which has
one company
created this.
in Pune. Yeah.
Using those.
Yes.
Lovely. Excellent. Okay. Okay.
And this is more like a still difference design
Okay.
and a two-wheeler inverter applications. So
Okay.
here, this is our chip.
Okay.
So it's 3 in parallel
Okay.
and high and low and 3 phase. So total 18 MOSFET in the design.
So now that you mentioned about this chip,
Yes.
right, can you give us an idea as to when can we expect it,
Okay.
the Made in India chip to be rolled out?
Yeah, this is our first power MOSFET,
Okay.
and it will be start the production and end of this month.
End of this month.
Yes, very soon.
That is lovely.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for taking our time, right? And I hope our audience will be more than happy to know more about ROHM and ROHM India, right? And use more of your products, right? And if there are any doubts or queries, they can post it on our channel, and we will share with ROHM team and get them answered as soon as possible. Right? Thank you. Thank you very much.